Hello, hello, hello. This is Carrie Knopf and my friend Thing. And we got weather. Weather here today. We got weather here. Weather here with Thing. See the weather here? Weather here in Michigan. Just thought I would come on with my friend Thing here. And this is the news report. And we got some snow. I'll show you that there. And it is December the 23rd, 2022, 3:39 p.m. It is really, really cold out here. Got a nice little path here today. Show you out the front, out the back here. Take my pal Thing with me. It is 6 degrees. Feels like it's 17 below. But I'll take you out here. You can see the snow with me and Thing here. But yeah, there's some snow for you. There's Thing. Yeah, it is cold. Well, I think I'm going to take Thing and I in. I am Carrie Knopf, your host. And I'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye.